Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity incident response team with Verizon. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of a cybersecurity incident response team, or CIRT. Identify the key roles needed within the team, such as incident handlers, analysts, and communication specialists. Determine the necessary skills and qualifications for each role. Create a detailed job description for each position to attract the right talent. Start recruiting team members with relevant expertise in cybersecurity. Provide training to ensure team members are familiar with the organization's systems, policies, and incident response protocols. Develop a clear incident response plan that outlines procedures for detecting, analyzing, and implement tools and technologies that facilitate incident detection and response. Establish communication protocols to ensure information is shared quickly and effectively during incidents. Conduct regular drills and simulations to test the team's readiness and improve their response skills. Encourage a culture of collaboration and continuous learning among team members. Set up metrics to evaluate the team's performance during incidents. Regularly review and update the incident response plan and team procedures based on lessons learned from past incidents. Foster relationships with external partners, such as law enforcement and other organizations, to enhance response capabilities. Document all incidents and responses to create a knowledge base for future reference. Promote awareness of the CIRT's role within the organization to ensure all employees understand how to report incidents. Invest in ongoing training and certifications for team members to keep their skills up to date. Evaluate the team's structure and processes periodically to adjust for emerging threats and organizational changes. Ensure the team is equipped to not only respond to incidents but also to conduct root cause analysis to prevent future occurrences. By following these steps, you can effectively build a cybersecurity incident response team with Verizon that is prepared to protect your organization from cyber. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.